to MS Craftshop. After nearly a month away, I'm excited to return to my channel and share my latest project with you. My break was filled with gardening, traveling and running errands, but today I'm back to showcase a custom-made, heart-shaped mini photo album. This album was created for a lady's 50th birthday and came with very specific requirements. It needed to be feminine, elegant and richly decorated. Beads, ribbons and charms were must-have embellishments, along with birthday-themed touches. I used papers and extras from the Flower Fiesta collection by Craft O'Clock, supplementing them with accents from various wedding collections and my stash. The client particularly loved the bow on the cover, which comes from my Roses Academy paper collection. The album was quite time-consuming to make, but the client was pleased with the finished result, which fully met her expectations. The album features custom pages and pockets to hold both large and smaller photos. It also includes interactive elements, making it perfect for organizing and displaying a variety of special memories. In addition to tending my plants and managing other important tasks, I also found time to create a new collection of the Bride's Fantasy papers. A brief showcase of these papers is available in the shorts section on my channel. I'll be back soon with a detailed video about the collection, along with another exciting new project. For now, enjoy the presentation. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave your comments below and see you soon.